Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you uninstall the YouTube application from your Windows PC. So as you can see, I have the application here on my computer. I'm going to open that. And there's two ways how to go about uninstall YouTube from your computer. So if you click the three dots here towards the upper right hand side, you will have the option that says app settings. So you click on app settings, it's going to open up and you will see the option that says uninstall right at the bottom. So here you can easily go ahead and uninstall the application from here. Now, another way how to do it, because it's an application guys, you can find it on your computer. So you can simply click the Windows key and you can type in install and you can find your install applications. And then from here, you will see all the applications on your computer. So here you can easily go ahead and search for YouTube, and you will see that you have YouTube on your computer. As you can see here, I have two of them installed here that I have. So you can easily go ahead and click on uninstall and uninstall YouTube from here. See, click on uninstall and it will remove from your computer. And guys, that's how easy it is to go ahead and uninstall YouTube from your Windows desktop or laptop computer. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.